Anyway, I'm getting ready to do the giveaway. Got all the names drawn. Took quite a while to get the names cut out for the giveaway. But I do these giveaways this way because this is 100% real giveaway. I don't get to pick who I'm giving it to. They're drawn right out of the hat. Anyway, that's the reason I do it old school. That way everybody knows. Matter of fact, I want to show you the names. We're going to pull 10 names. Each name's going to get $100. So let's go ahead and get the names in the hat. Okay. It's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 winners are going to get a cash giveaway, $100 each, via Cash App. If you don't have the Cash App, download it. Download the Cash App. Also, send me an email with your YouTube screen name if your name got called, so I can get you. And then I'll give me your Cash App. Send me an email with your Cash App if your name got drawn. And anybody that didn't win, this is not the first giveaway. It ain't gonna be the last. I'm gonna keep doing giveaways, and I may change strategically how I do them. Right now, this is the most fair way I know to do it, is to draw them out of a hat. That way, you know that I'm not just giving it to some random person that I know, because that's what people think that other YouTubers do. These names were drawn out of a hat. I don't know a single person that was picked. Anyway. Thanks for watching the content. I appreciate it, man. 90,000 subscribers. That's a great milestone. I want to thank my subscribers. I want to thank my boss. And I want to thank God for keeping me safe every day. And with that, let's go ahead and get into some content. Hey, it's Tow Trucker. We're back at it again. We just came over this property. They called. They had a couple of trucks. A couple of big trucks they want towed out of here, so that's what we're gonna do. See, 212 is the black truck, and 253. Yeah, we got 2 trucks we gotta get. We may have some drama. Anyway, I get a lot of threats in the comments telling me stuff about if I was taking their car, what they would do. And what kind of situation would happen if I towed their car. Man, I deal with this stuff every day, man. You can put all that crap on the channel and the messages and stuff, man. If you think this channel's fake, man, you think I'm fake, man, I do it every day, man. I deal with people just like you. You putting that comment, I deal with people just like you, man. These people out here, they don't play around, man. Anyway, I go out here, I do this, man. This job the best of my ability, man. I treat people fair, and like I said, I do this job on a professional level, man. I don't mistreat nobody. I just tow the cars. I live a certain way, man. I try to be honorable about how I do my job, and that's what a lot of people don't recognize, man. They come in there flapping in the comments, man, about some jack flip. Here's the other truck I got to get right here. This red one right here. This red truck's got to go too. This F-250, it's got to go. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab this F-250. Fixing to throw some hooks on it right now. Matter of fact, this girl right here moves out of the way. This girl right here moves out of the way. As soon as she gets out of the way, I'm gonna hook this red truck. And I can guarantee that some dude owns this truck. I don't think a female owns it. Not to say that no girl could own it, but pretty sure some dude, construction working dude. I'm sure he don't want it towed. I'm sure he's gonna be mad, but at the same time, I was given instructions by the property manager to tow this truck, so we gotta hook it. That's what it is.
Hey, what you doing, bro?
What's up, man? Office told me to get it, bro. The office told me to get it, bro. I just left the office. She told me to come get this truck. And that's what I did.
Bro, how you gonna take my truck, bro?
Listen, the office told me to get it, dude.
These are my
Listen,
vehicles.
I understand that, man. I understand, bro.
Don't sit here and take my vehicle, bro.
Listen, I'm telling you.
Put my stuff
You need
down,
to talk.
bro.
You need to talk to the manager.
Bro, you sitting here, bro. Put my stuff down, man. Y'all, I got vehicles over here. I got that van right there that y'all ain't touched.
It's got a tag on it. It's got a tag. Got a tag, right?
Got a sticker on it. My truck got a fucking license plate on it.
See this right here, man?
What the? I don't care about all that, man.
Well, you yelling at the wrong person, man. You yelling at the wrong person.
My car got my fucking tire over here, bro. And you pulling my shit up.
Listen, hey. Listen, I'm telling you right now, dude. Hey, I'm trying to give you respect.
Man, fuck off.
This is what I do. Man. All right, then, man. That's cool. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey, don't come up on the truck now. This is what I do. I'm telling you. Go to office right now.
I'm not going to fucking office.
Okay, all right, man.
Hey,
all right.
You tried to take my man truck over there, and I seen you put it back down, bro.
He paid a $100 drop fee, dude. He paid $100. Yeah.
For what?
Because he got towed. That's how it is, man.
Oh, so I gotta give you $100, bro?
You go talk to the office what you need to do.
What I said is, you're telling me I gotta give you $100?
It's up to the office if they allow you to do that. What? Because she called this car in to tow. I just showed you this right here, man. The office told me to come get your car. What? The truck.
Bro.
The office, okay? The manager.
Who closed the window? Who closed the blinds?
Listen, you need to call your manager, okay?
Bro, look.
You all mad at me now.
You see my vehicle,
listen,
bro.
I see your truck. That's what I do.
You know this is bullshit,
listen.
bro.
I understand.
Okay, so how
your situation. I understand your situation.
So what you saying? You just coming over and picking my shit up?
Listen, cars get yanked every day.
Hey,
listen. I understand where you come from. You car got towed.
I
understand. Listen.
What specifically to come and get?
Hey, listen to me.
Or rent, bro.
Okay, well, listen. That has nothing to do with me.
I'm telling you what this about, bro.
Okay, listen.
Rent, and she's sitting up here.
No, I don't think that's it, because she called the other one over there. I don't think it's got nothing to do with rent, man.
Bro, it is, bro. Well, she sit here and come over here with me the other day. I told her that my truck is down because I gotta fix my shop.
Listen, you know why it got towed? Because it's got a flat tire. That's the only reason.
Well, they didn't say that to me. I could have put air in the tire, man.
You pulled the sticker off. The sticker got pulled off of it.
My shit is up here, bro, because of a flat tire,
Listen, you
bro.
pulled the sticker. What'd the sticker say on it, man?
I don't even know.
Somebody pulled the sticker off of it.
It's peeled off.
Somebody peeled the sticker off of it. Somebody peeled the sticker off, man.
What I'm saying to you is that you really sitting up here got my shit.
Unfortunately, man, this is what I do.
Tire, bro.
Unfortunately, man,
I mean, for real, man.
I'm being for real with you now. Hey, I'm being for real. Hey,
You know you
Listen,
wrong.
hey, they told me I ain't wrong, man. I'm not being wrong, bro.
Fucking tire, bro.
Well, listen, it ain't nothing to do with the flat tire.
Abandoned vehicle?
Listen,
does it look like somebody's not
the manager up there? Hey, she rules the whole property, bro.
Listen, man.
It ain't got nothing to do with me, man. You mad at me, but it ain't me.
What I'm saying,
Hey, I can't lose a job over your car. Respect to you, dude.
Respect that, bro.
But I respect you because you're mad.
Listen,
I want you to calm down.
Bro, I respect that, bro.
Okay, thank you, man. Thank you, bro, for real.
But what I'm saying to you is that all you gotta do is tell that lady that I was out here in my fucking truck.
Man, I can't.
Come on, bro.
Man, I can't do that. You know why? Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. Because somebody in your, who else you got living in the building over here? You got anybody complaining over here? I mean, there's a whole number of reasons people get told.
Complaining about what?
About your truck parked out, all your cars. Hey, there's any number of reasons that I can't drop your car. I don't just drop cars. I hook them, dude. Right. I could have got shot. You could have come out with a gun. Whatever, anything could have happened about it.
Bro.
I mean, you got a nice truck, man. I mean, I knew this was gonna happen.
Bro, how you gonna put my shit up here, man? Over a flat tire.
Well,
because
I know.
I got 3 vehicles. I got 3
Is the
vehicles.
tag good on it too? Or is it last year's?
I'm not driving it right now.
Oh, tag's bad?
Yeah, the tag is bad because I'm not
Well, that's
driving.
another reason. So listen, that's another reason.
Here, my shock and my front end my shock is up, so I ain't driving it.
I understand.
So I ain't went and got my tag fixed. Why?
I understand. But listen,
another vehicle. Now you got
Are you from here? Are you from here?
No.
Okay, let me tell you why. That's why you don't know. Listen, code enforcement in Gwinnett County, DeKalb, all around Atlanta, they got code enforcement that cites the properties. They can write them $1,000 per car. Every car that's not tagged or it has flat tires, they can write that manager up there a citation for $1,000 per car. Listen, that's why they do it. It ain't because they're trying to be mean to you.
What I'm saying
is where you from, man?
Air in the tire up north.
Okay.
All they do is tell me put some air in my tire, man.
Well, they stickered it. That's why they stickered it, man. For real. That's why they stickered it, man, to give you a warning. If you had called up there and talked to her, man.
She came over here, bro.
Oh, she came over here?
She came over here. I told them what my shit was hooked up for. She asked me what my cord was hooked up for. I told her it's because I got a diesel engine, bro.
I know it's a diesel.
This is what I'm trying to tell you. This know what she doing.
Okay.
She came over here and talked to me about my truck. It's because I owe them rent.
Yeah.
They think somehow they trying to put some squeeze play.
Well, listen, I'll tell you this.
She didn't tell me nothing about no flat tire. She said.
I honestly don't. I mean, I as far as the rent, man, I honestly don't think. I've never seen anybody told her for a rent, man. I mean, she can't. Just for rent, she
want me. What I'm saying, you don't understand.
She might want you gone. I don't know. That's.
I'm talking about. I owe them. You know, we got into it a couple of times, so to speak. You know what I mean? So it ain't like we got a good relationship.
Okay.
They on some bullshit.
So they sent me back here to get this one, and he's probably on the same boat as you. So I'm gonna go up there and have an confrontation with him too. You know what I'm saying?
All I'm trying to tell you is that this is some bullshit. This is what they doing. She
man.
just came and talked to me 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Asked me about my cord that I got plugged up, that you unplugged.
No, I didn't unplug. I didn't tear your cord up either. I know. I respect it.
Understand? It was a plug.
You have to plug a diesel in. I know.
I explained to her.
Yeah, and that's normal. That's normal.
What am I supposed to do? It's free cold. We just had 20, 30 degree weather.
You got to keep. I know you got to keep them plugged in. That's what diesel. You got to do with diesels. I understand. It's a nice truck, man.
What am I supposed to do? Not protect my shit?
I know.
You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, 100%, man. And listen, if it was me,
that's why my cord. That's why that cord is there.
Yeah.
If it was a plug outside, I could plug outside.
Yeah. I understand.
But I can't do that.
Yeah. Hey, has it been?
Plug my shit. And I told her that.
How long has it been?
Now you over here towing my shit because
how long has it been? How long has it been?
I mean, my shit been sitting here. I've been here since last year, dealing with this corona shit.
I know, me too.
I ain't been working, trying to get back.
It's hard
to work,
right now. I know.
You know what I mean?
Well, listen, whatever the case may be, you're gonna have to get the truck back. I mean, the damn, it's worth. You don't tell them what it's worth. You know what I'm saying?
What I'm saying to you is that so you know why. So you telling me I give you $100, you gonna drop my shit?
But listen, hey, even then, I don't know. Listen, depending on whether or not she'll allow it to be here, she may not let me even pay it out. She may tell me to take it off the property. But
Even
if
she tell you take it off, that's my.
listen, I tell you what I can do. I mean, if you want to pay it out,
bro, let me give you $50, man. Take
hey, the boss would take the other. He'd take the other money out, man. Every time I hit my PTO, but he knows I'm sitting right here locked.
That's a nice little lick for you, man.
Well, no, it's company. I don't keep the money. I keep. I make $30.
So
I make
you get
$30.
$100,
I make 30%.
So then what? She can call you back tomorrow?
Well, listen, you're gonna have. Yeah, she might. She might. But listen, if
here, but you can't. But if I don't, you know,
it's $175. It's $175 if I tow it off. It's $100 here.
But if I move it, she can't say nothing. If
Well,
I move it to another spot.
Oh, you got a spot you can put it at. You got a spot. You got a space you can put. Listen, the tag's bad and it's got flat, so it's got 2 violations. Period. Yeah, she may not let you have it here. I don't know, man.
What you mean?
She may not let you keep it here. I don't know.
How she gonna stop me from keeping my property though?
Man, they just, man.
I'm just what I'm saying to you.
It's rough. Hey, the apartments down here, they
some
rough.
Gangster shit, right?
Well, not really. It's really not.
What we talking?
Hey, up north, it's. I'll tell you what it is up north. It is like payouts and paybacks.
Yeah.
Around here, it's code enforcement. Nobody gets a dime. They don't get a dime. A lot of play up north, everybody pads everybody's pockets. It's not like that here.
They getting it up top.
Yeah, they have to maintain their property. The regional managers are real strict because they're trying to keep units rented, keep the properties up, and they spend a lot of money on them.
Right.
They do spend a lot of money on the properties, and if they allow you to have your car like this, next thing you know, somebody else saying, "Well, he got his car here. Why you messing with me?"
Yeah.
So next thing you know, they have to tow, dude. They really do. They have to tow.
Right.
Anyway, he finally calmed down. My camera did die in the middle of it, and I got my other camera running. Got him to address. He was gonna pay it out, but he decided not to because she could tow it again. So he's gonna come get it out tomorrow, and he's got a house that he can put it at. But anyway, that's how it goes. That's what I was telling everybody the comments earlier, man. These situations can turn they can turn real quick on you. He didn't seem like the kind of guy that was worried about getting violent. He seemed like the kind of person, and he was a nice guy. I'm not disrespecting the guy, but he was definitely the type to put hands on you if a situation go down. I know people, I know the streets, I know how people are. That guy right there, if I would have disrespected him, treated him bad after towing his car, there would have been a physical confrontation. There ain't no doubt about it. People don't do well when you take their car and then you turn around and disrespect them on top of it. It don't work. Some people you can do that to, other people you can't. Anyway, I'm gonna quit jibber jabbering. I'm gonna sign it out and roll to the yard. Anyway, peace.